World Indigenous Day organized at Dashrath Hall with the help of Tribal Research and Cultural Institute organized by Joint Action Committee of Civil Society on Wednesday. UTF Senior Advisor Shakti Jamatia, Tripura University HOD Professor Shukendu Debarma, TWDS President Dr. Bijoy Debarma, JACCS ex-convener Advocate Anthony Debarma, Tribal Research and Cultural Institute Director Anandahari Jamatia and others were present on the occasion. Likewise, every year, the World Indigenous Day organized at Dashrath Hall with the help of Tribal Research and Cultural Institute organized by Joint Action Committee of Civil Society on Wednesday. All the invited guests inaugurated the program lighting the candle. UTF Senior Advisor Shakti Jamatia, Tripura University HOD Professor Shukendu Debarma, TWDS President Dr. Bijoy Debarma, JACC ex-convener Advocate Anthony Debarma, Tribal Research and Cultural Institute Director Anandahari Jamatia, TEST ex-District President Engineer Gautam Riyang, TSF Vice President Vikas Debarma, JACCS ex-convener Sunil Debarma, TWDS Secretary Dr. Khamnuk Jamatia, UTF Secretary Sajal Debarma, NIT Associate Professor Dr. Devdulal Tripura were present as panel speaker in the program. Joint Convener Jiban Debarma of Joint Action Committee of Civil Society has delivered a welcoming speech.
Actually, all over the world, world's indigenous people rong nibang itini osal palajag. Engke palajag man engke United Nations ni engai seng sajak man yomo. Engke zotto hayung guno gunanggai no all throughout the world. The indigenous borok rok ni yago power phailathung. Borok ni self determination ni right borok malathung. U wansok mungno tui no o sal palajag man seng. Engke from tradition praise klailela engke since human civilization. Jara pila sakang kisa civilized engku thangnai rok borok all over the world no nokha kukla buine jaga jaga thangai borok colony setup klaika civilization tilangka engke uloke nukjaka je aroni je tongsoknai rok borok no ungklogo onsloi thangka engke tuluk tuluk aroni theke no indigenous people rok ni je rights kifili rowani bangai je movement chengmani u movement ni no amokaisa part engke chini 1995 rok ni simi sengjak mani ngnai engke indigenous people rok ni right to self determination engke right to self determination engke bahai ke phainai ba right to self determination afro no phainai jefroni ni political and administrative rights ni yago sok phainai political and administrative rights ni bangai hingke nung shudu ni legislative right ba power simi baingya you ni executionary power bu ni oron ma sok phainai the right to legislate and the right to execute o kai ni manaisi ni oro sok phaila ha hingke afroke we will be that agent of change jatabok ni theme youth as an agent for self determination hingke chini sikla rok ni oro chini dofan oro jefro ofan phainai afro sung self determination khlaimana
Sir, aboni bisingo to agartola haidoli rogo simi se nukjagoi tongo indigenous de rog tam nani bisi brung brung palai jango aboni bisingo to kamingam sai ni borok to asuk si arog tongko ga borok no bahai klai o tomno phunuk nani siri nani nongni bahai try tong
je kono policy je kono intellectual level ni je policy seng almost kang capital rok ni simi no seng angke hai kana outlaw bu sanga outlaw ni simi seng langke mo tuluk tuluk kami rogo bu pisar jaga tabok kami kabang ma jaga no usal no palai jaga angke ni rok ni media ni bising tei bu upap thai jokto jaga sawai nai angke tuluk ulotei bu jokto jaga no palai jag nai
tini sabai luwa je sir
omo joint action committee ni oro chini kabang ma civil society ni je NGO rok nongmani saksang Tripura Doctors Welfare Society de United Tripura Forum de Engineers Society de taike joto civil society miloi na tini no program songsa
UTF Senior Advisor Shakti Jamatia delivered speech where he said about the rights and privilege of the indigenous Tripura people, about our movement and the duties of the youths.
Kapang ne hamjakma अरमानजाक फाइनाय जतो सिक्ला सिक्ली रगनि मोखांनि गोबां कुबा निरगन आं सिगां एड्रेस खालायनाय नरक सिनि थिनांनि फैकुं बेकेरें निरगन आं हामजाक मंगिया फारो तेबो आं तिरिनि जे ओ पान्दाना रुवाय जिनाय जॉइंट एक्शन कमिटी ऑफ सिविल सोसाइटी नि तांफां रक जों बाहायनो दुलजाकनो हायफानो आरनियो स्पेशल हामबा याफारथाय खुरसाथाय हंके सिनि ताखौ मोजां जीवन देबरमा तेबनि लगे तंनाय रक सुबानाय रक निरक नि साकथारमों निरक नि जुगाल मंबाय तिनिओ जों तिनिओ जतो हायुं गनाङै जे सालनो कतर होनैनाय पालायनानै बाङै साख्लाय रजाखा इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ वर्ल्ड इंडिजिनस पीपल त्रिनि ओ साल 9 आगस्ट संसार गनाङै हायुं गनाङै पालाय जागाय दङ जों खुरसालांमाने रैसालांमाने जों ताखौ जीवननि खुगो माने वेलकाम स्पीचेस जों हाइलाइट खालामनानै खोनाखा हायफोरनो किसा बनो रैसा फैनानै मुसुगो 23 December 1994 ओमो 93 ओ साख्लाय जाखा 94 साख्लाय जाखा United Nations General Assembly by Clawina or Salno Palaijakane Bangay 1995 9 August Nisimike Sangsar Ganangway Tini O Sal International Day of World Indigenous People Nis Hal Palaijakitango Kapal Kahamni Kok Sentawok Sinti Prahasteo Bahino O Hawa Asainero Ep Origin Bororok O Hanibusharok Son of the Soil Sangutinio O dage mungno yasagui sung tiniwo palai lego omone motives engkha omone sangsamung concept engkha United Nations General Assembly ni tang phangrok ni mokolo kalaijak bahaike homale ha sakani joto ha kotor kotor hayung kotor kotoro ha kotoro je original borok ep origin borok son of the soil tagrom disi tipra sawo sing tipra sarok tipra o hastebo sini haino gobang ma hawo like Canada Australia nini New Zealand hairogo te gobang ma jagarogo aroni soy borok kamai thangkha it was under threat tremendous threat komori thangnaikha Baksa komori thangka at the point of extinct kamai bo thangbaikha boni bangai borok no safeguard khainani bangai borok no haino hai regenerate khapinani bangai revive khainani boroni culture boroni identity borok ni je kamung sumung bebak no srungmung kok thairok no mothangai narak phinani bangai tiniwo omahai kaisa Wasomung kaham United Nations General Assembly by Nazak Mane. Ini o salo seng palai mani seng just celebration ni seng palai mani ta thangthung omo ani kobok mang. Ang joto siklarok no oro joto porejak college porenai college paijak post graduation khlaijak university level porejak higher level education porejak siklarok no ni thani ang sanamu sugo. Nirok no sini Tipras harok ni thinam taklai ni team niro ayang nahore naiti you are to be an agent you are to be an instrument you are to be a powerful instrument that who can bring the changes the life of Tripura in all aspect in all area rang paisa was rungmungo culture sini kok thayo bebag jagawo sini political life lo socio economic life nirok se sini instrument boni bangai taklai ni je sini team almost sing banok mania sing joint action committee of civil society sing banok mania among kha UN ni general assembly wo tongnai ro koto tang phangrok bai o team no tv nai joto jaga no taklai ni 9th August palai jak thang hanoi saklai jak manisi hani bangai time has come to make a resolution sing sini pakhabai smai tangani jora sokpeka tamani homole sini hani condition bini slai belai khe kharosusu sing no gorani wo joto borog no o ha sakawo asai phaikangke thangnani bangai borok ni kaisa fundamental right tongo joto borok no fundamental of the people to shape their own life janija thang kusungo kathang tongnani bangai janija musuk teke sakni culture bai sakni kok bai sakni sini mung bai sakni pore mung bai gathaja khlaibinai one soknani kaham hamya one soknani dofaro naikini khainani sini kok thaino tisanani sini political life no shape khainani sini aje mungno omo bepak no sini thaniwo odikar rojak sing thaisingo sing pore thangka sini musang jibon de porma salangmani 1 to 44 articles General Assembly of UN by je saklaijak ar ne bak enumerate khlaijak elaborate khlaijak phiawa sing trinugo freedom to live for their own well being tebo tongo sing kaham hamya wan sokne ni sini thani odikar sini thaniwo sing no wan sok thai tongo sing tabo phiawa on the contrary sini hawo sini hastewo sing tama bundu khumale sini hamkhai ni bangai sini kok thai ni bangai sini political status ni bangai sini socio economic ni bangai wan sokna ni singno odikar rojagya khanang mani kok tok no pinjra wo sowoi okhui phra saronai kang phra khanai bo ongkhar bo thangmalia boni kono liberty kri boni kono power kri thik omo hai khlaiwinai Tripura sarokno soboi nar gejagoi tongo tabok nero wan soboi na de busa khanang mani kok sing sini future sini thinang tam angnai bono determine khainani self determination khainani wan soknani kahamya pri senani singta khainani sini thaniwa sing odikar rojagya angi tongo tamani hole japro sing Tripura sani dofani hamkhaini kok sanai Tripura sani rang paisa ni kok sanai Tripura sani shikkha unnayon ni kok sanai aproke sino tam khlai homale separatist has hegnai has kaknai bissinnatabat ugrobadi hahininai singno dalbidal sil samung bai jono sikre oi tongo omo sing mokol bai klaija boni bangang tinang belai dukho nangai sawo we are psychologically broken sing already sing defeated sing jephar kese no gosewi najak sing oti prasa time has come to haino hai sing motivate khan ni sing saksaro thangsanani phari sing te sing kesem tong lailia sing bu sing hamkhrai ni bangai sing dophanoti sanani bangai srungnani bangai je odikar tongmani no sing silai sinai ya pri selai sinai bus kang thanglai siano tamani homale sini thania freedom rojaya for example kaise jalonto udaharon sing tabok soba solai tango sini kok brogno roman script by suinani sab kok brog saba Tripura sarok sab suiba Tripura sarok o kokno ba tama script by suinai bo Tripura sare thani si tongon batable Tripura sa si determine khainani batable tam honle phatani bororogle nero bono asuk bono ornibo bokrok tung plathai tongba sini odikar krei takoro bokrok boni bangai ama haike singte busuk tongsinai ang belai tu khonango tani homole sing psychologically belai sing wellness krei sing psychological illness sing jepropan bubai sikri jagai thaisingo samani hai tok no sowui tongwinai okhui prosaro kang pro khanake tongmani hai khlaibinai omo hai khlaibinai singno sowai dar tongkha boni bangai ang kok kebama sara thangya tini oja UNO General Assembly by just saklaijak Arni was a sini right, sini odikar, sini manthai, sini klai thai, sono the power of money. Omotiro no sung tiniwo sung sitai tongo siklaro. Orani was sung kahama ke define kaja sung nugo. O UN ni je borok ni saklai jak mungo. 4 forms of self-determinations. Kai broi, belaike kotoro niwo sung sujak nugo niwo. Freedom to decide how we want to live. Freedom to decide how we want to live in our life. And to live, Tetam Saka, second authority. Third support. Fourth responsibility. Padi, first no one freedom to decide. Sini kaham ham kray one shok nani sini thane odikar ojak. Thaisinga sabu. Sini kok no sini kok borono roman script by suine honani amo sini odikar. Sini right, sini freedom. Kino sono freedom roya. Omahai klaiwinai, sung tiniwo, sini pore mani, sini serung mani, sini tong mung samung bepak no bini thaniwo ya parjak bino sungmani nangga. Sini thaniwo omahai shopaika, begging attitudes, begging mentality.
Cultural dance and songs were performed on the stage in the program on the occasion of World Indigenous Day. Similarly, JACC's former convener Advocate Anthony Debarma also delivered speech where he said about rights of the indigenous people and about the rule of law.
Indigenous daily khaksamate hamjama yafaro tayara phaimanja phainai sini norarok sini Professor Sukendu sini TRI ni director tai sinora phainai phaimanja phainai sini Da Bijoy, Tara Pamanda Penay, Sinida Mongol, Atabutom, Sinida Sokti, Tai Sini Debdular, Tai Sinor Sojol Tongo, Sunil Tongo, Tai Dr. Kahamno, and because Jotono Paipla Hamemaro, Antini Kisa Buinse Bisupan Zoranawana, Tam Nake, and Phil Kayo, or Mas Hanay, Tajingo, Chini Professor Saitanka, and Saka, and Abnota detail as of Taya. However, Tajingo, Chini joint convener of Saitanka, articles not the, and Tinta article Hanhat Tasapori Frinin. First, second, third, Tajingo Chini, that's Sugunu Saitanka. Oh, article guy, first number terms are. International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights state as follows. All peoples have the right to self-determination. By virtue of their right, they freely determine their political status and freely pursue their economic, social and cultural development. The United Nations Declaration on the Right of Indigenous People adopted the General Assembly Resolution 61/295 on 13 September 2007. State among others in the following articles. Indigenous Declaration Articles 3 Tamsa. Indigenous people have the right to self-determination by virtue of the right they freely determine their political status and freely pursue their economic, social, and cultural development. Tabo Article 4 of Tam Salani, indigenous people in exercising their right to self-determination have the right to autonomy or self-governance in matters relating to their internal and local affairs, as well as ways and means of financing their autonomous function. Indigenous people have the right to maintain and strengthen their distinct political, legal, economic, social, and cultural institutions. Akok Sao. Tabu taklani je theme, just harmony. Bahaki or Indigenous Day in the United Nations no Paikia. Khorang Canada ni bini bumungka onek kolok.
Furthermore, Tripura University HOD Professor Sukendra Debarma, Tribal Research and Cultural Institute Director Anandahari Jamatia, TEST former District President Engineer Gautam Riang, and others also gave their speech in the program. Reported by Omid from Agatala, Chini Khorang.